Namaskar, welcome to the channel Sattvic Vedic Food. I'm your host Sucheta. Food is not only a thing which can energize us, but also the most accurate way to heal physical body, mental health, and spiritual growth. But only if it's intaken with proper manner. In Sanatan Dharma, food is categorized in four different types, and they are as follows: Tamasic food, Rasic food, Sattvic food, and most of all, most important one is the divine food. In this video, I will try to explain you about the four categories and the significance, because in Sanatan Vedic tradition, cooking food was not only an art of making it tasty or try to make it beautiful, but it is a science which helps us to improve the power of our mind, body, and soul. That's why in Sanatan tradition it is called as Pak Shastra. Pak means cooking and Shastra means science, which means science of cooking, proper way of cooking. And sadly, the science of proper cooking is forgotten by many people. So, in return, what's happening? People are suffering with various mental and physical illnesses. As I've told you that there are four basic different type of food: sattvic, rajasic, tamasic, and divine food. In this video, I will try to explain you the differences between them and also how they affect us, and how important are the things that we should remember while cooking or eating food. So let's start with the tamasic food. Tamasic, the word is derived from the Sanskrit word called tamas. Tamas means darkness or negativity. Tamasic food is seductive in nature, effect on the mind and body negatively, and according to Ayurveda, these food can should be avoided because it cause very lot of mental dullness, physical numbness, bring inertia, confusion, and disorientation. Tamasic food can also increase the aggressiveness in a person. Stale, all kind of non-veg, onion, garlic, coffee, or the food which is cooked open in the sky, open to sky, etc., are mainly categorized as the tamasic food. Tamasic may also be called as static food. Such food are a way to harm our mind, body, and our spiritual growth. Now we'll talk about the next category, that is the Rajasic food. Food that stimulates the mind and body into action. Such food can be a cause of hyperactivity, restlessness, anger, irritability, sleeplessness. Rajasic food can also increase the level of toxin in our body. Both tamasic and Rajasic food, the diet aggravate Vat, Pitta, and Kapha, all the three doshas. So, Rajasic food are overly spicy or oily, salty or sugary food that include drinks which contain caffeine or overload of sugar. So we should try to avoid also this category, the Rajasic food. Now we'll talk about the most pure in nature, that is called the Sattvic food. Sattvic food, the word Sattvic is derived from the Sanskrit word which is called as Sat. Sat means light, positive, and pure. Sattvic are those food which help us to lead to the development of a mind, physical health, spiritual growth, etc. Sattvic food are generally those food which is obtained without harming other living animals or oneself. Such food helps to purify the body, calm the mind, heal and energize us, our body, especially the pranic energy, the pran force is developed or is given a boost because of the sattvic food. Such food should be consumed within 3 to 4 hours of preparation. It helps to restore the harmony between mind and body, thereby improving the state of our consciousness. Having a sattvic diet on a regular basis can be a cause and the formation of rebuilding a high quality of mind, body, and spiritual health. Sattvic food are prepared keeping in mind season, temperature, body type, etc. These food should be taken on a regular basis because it's not only very tasty, healthy, but also improve all the dimension of your life. Sattvic food includes cereals, vegetables, grains, fruit, nuts, various kind of milk product, etc. And now we will talk about the last category, that's the divine food or prasad, even we call as prasadam. Divine food is the food when sattvic food is offered to our deity, our God, with lot of love and devotion. And after offering it to a God, our deity, then we consume it. This such food after offering it is called as the divine food, and the pranic energy in such food is very high. That's why it is called as divine, because after eating such food we get lot of positive energy in our self. So this info I think this information may be helpful for the people who want to know about the categories of food and how it's difference and how it can cause a difference in your life. So in the next video I will try to teach you to cook with various kind of sattvic food. Namaskar.